Hi guys, every CA and CMA student must watch this. We often think that we are working extreme hard without even realizing what the true meaning of hard work. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to measure hard work or how to measure your work to know whether you're really hardworking or not. Okay, let's measure. Like, by the way, I know some students know they're feeling guilt, they're feeling stressful, they're feeling tired all the time, and they're feeling like they're working hard. See, I'm not here to criticize you, or I'm not here to say that you're not at all working. No, that's not my intention. But let's genuinely measure what really hard work is all about. For example, to make you understand how much hard work that I am doing, how I measure whether I'm hardworking or not. It's not just based on number of hours. It's not just based on number of hours. It also depends on the output that I am releasing. That is also important, right? How much output I generated, how much effectiveness I generated. That is also most important factor to measure whether you're really working hard or not, because the outcome decides. 50% of your hard work is decided by the outcome. Now, you know what? In the last 2 months, right now I'm doing this video on 2nd November. Last 2 months means September and October. Only in these 2 months, guess what I did? We have released a book, complete, developed from scratch, color book, question bank, colored question bank on CMA inter audit, CMA final audit. You know what? For a faculty, the most hardworking part is making the book. I'm telling you guys, you want to know whether a faculty is really working hard. Look at his books, you will get the answer. No need to look at any other measure. Just look at the books. It may be black and white or colored, it doesn't matter. Okay? Look at their books, you will understand whether they are really working hard or not, because book speaks louder. So we work hard. I have evidence that CMA inter audit book I released with question bank, CMA final audit book I did with question bank. Not just that. In the last 2 months, I have released a new income tax book which is exactly 200 pages. New income tax book which is based on Finance Act 2025 for May 26 attempt. You can find my video on the YouTube and also find the file on website. And I have reviewed remaining 8 subjects of CMA inter, because I'm only handling audit and tax, 100 marks total. Remaining 700 marks, who approved it? I have to review it. To all our faculty, I have to coordinate. Our team has to help them. They have to review everything, and we have to coordinate. And finally, one final review will be conducted by me to know all the settings is done or not. Again, if some issue is there in that, I have to reply them, sir. This here some issue is there. Here some spacing issue is there. I have to convince them. I have to confirm with uniform format in all the subjects, and finally approve it. Speak to the vendor, get the quotation, order the book. I did that for all 8 subjects of CMA inter. Not just that, we have reviewed our CA inter new book, CA inter all the existing 6 subjects materials. And guess what? Accounts, we are going to release a new colored question bank. New question bank we are going to release. Law, new question bank of superminiums are going to release. Tax, colored question bank you're going to get with updated answers, updated everything, amended answers, everything. Next, I am going to release a new GOAT notes for CA final May 26 attempt, because there are few amendments that are there in the recent CA final audit which is applicable for May. Those amendments incorporated in the latest GOAT notes and updated it. Next, I am moreover, see, this is only few works which I did in the past 2 months, I'm telling you. And we have planned and conducting now. Right now the classes are going on. At Chennai right now CMA inter face-to-face class is going on. At Guntur CMA final face-to-face class is going on already, which I am handling already. By the way, class also I'm taking apart from all this. I'm right now taking the class for CMA final. Another 5-6 days I'm going to finish CMA final cost audit. And we are starting new face-to-face class for CA inter for May 26, September 26. And guess what? When are we going to start? November 10th onwards. Very few works which by the way, in September, no, first 15-20 days exams, right? During the exams, you just go and check my YouTube channel. I did many live videos. Before exam, I posted live revisions. Tax before exam, CA final audit before exam, CA inter audit before exam. I posted certain live videos. Apart from all this, exceptional questions, guidance videos, apart from all this, I hope you can fill the answers. motivating the students. Mentorship program I started. In between there is a break for that, but nothing to worry. I'll continue mentorship program now again. Okay, so see, this is what real hard work means. You know, whether I worked hard or not, when I just look back in the past 2 months, I get a smile. Yes, it's okay, fine. I'm really working hard. And I genuinely feel sometimes taking a break and go for a vacation or do nothing, stay at home, silent. Still, I don't feel guilt. You know, I don't have guilt. You know, I don't have guilt. I don't have stress at all. I'm not at all tired in spite of doing this much work. And am I feeling that not working hard? No. When I look back and see what are all I did in the past 2 months, I get a smile on my face. Yes, I'm doing it. For you, are you getting that smile? If you just check back your last 2 months what you did, are you getting that smile and contentment in your heart? If you're getting that, you're really working hard. You can showcase on social media, you can showcase on YouTube, you can showcase on Instagram, you can showcase, you can show everybody that you're really working hard. But genuinely, deep down at your heart, how much output you generated in the past 2 months or 3 months, just go and check. You will understand the real meaning of hard work. Because if at all you really worked hard, it speaks in terms of the output. Now, for a student, how to measure are you really working hard or not? Whether you're a CA student or CMA student, how to measure that? Very simple. Are you really studying for 8+ hours in a day? Productive 8+ hours? Not like chumma playing the video, you're staring somewhere. No. Productively, are you involved in 8 hours of studying? Or 8+ hours of watching the classes? Or together 9 hours, you are approximately at least 8 hours, or how much portion? Fine, this is most even better thing. Sir, some students may say, sir, I'm studying 8 hours every day, sir. Sir, I'm studying 8+ hours of watching classes, sir. Sir, I'm doing both together, sir. Okay, fine. All this to some extent may convince you. Yes, I'm watching class. No. How much portion you finished? This will give you the answer. How much portion you finished? For a reference, if at all you're really working hard, or if you're really watching classes 8 hours plus in a day, in a month, 25 into 8, 200 hours. In CA Inter, approximately 1.5 subject you must have finished the classes. One subject 100 marks is over, another subject minimum 50 marks portion would have been already covered by you. Is it so? Check the output. You will understand whether you're really giving time, hard work or not. I'm telling you guys, if you really work hard, you will finish the deadlines, you will finish the work that you planned for. Elegant always, you learned it in costing, standard costing, budgetary, all that. When before you start any activity, before you start any work, budget it. By what time I should finish it, how many hours I should sit and finish it, and measure it. Compare it with actual. You will understand whether are you efficient, are you productive, are you really hardworking or not. These many works, being a faculty, earning so much of income, still I am doing 12 hours everyday work. What is stopping you from doing the work? You have bigger commitments than me, you have bigger responsibilities than me, you know your financial position, and what is stopping you from working hard? The only one thing that is stopping you from working hard is taking granted the life. It's okay, max one attempt, 3 months will be wasted. This is gonna repeat as a pattern. Remember, success and failures are patterns. If you are repeating the failure pattern, you will end up as a failure only in life. Change the pattern. Wake up, realize how important the time that is for you. And I'm telling you guys, I won't say that work hard now, tomorrow after becoming CA you can enjoy. No, not at all. After becoming CA, you have to work even more harder. And if you do not work hard now, if you do not become a CA or CMA, you are going to see the hardest life ever that you have never imagined. You're going to see the hardest life. Don't regret. Start working now. That's it. And by the way, those who came till now directly, please go back to the video first minute, then watch it. And also, like this video, comment on this, whatever you learned from this video, and which motivates me to do more and more videos and guide you. That's it. Okay, I hope now you got the meaning of how to measure your work. Measure both in terms of input and also output. Both are matters. Both. This is called two-way check. We call it as two-way check. Only input don't measure, only output don't measure, both you measure. That's it. All the very best.